Here we are looking at SRGE, done this one many times. I think it's been exactly 1 week since the last time I did it. I just want to get things updated, had some questions on it, and wanted to point out a few things. Nothing has really changed much in the sense of the price is still above this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average. I'm not going to go into that. If you go back and watch the past videos, you've heard me talk about this numerous times. So the price is still above there, and that's a good thing. But what I did want to talk about and point out is that the one thing that I'm not going to say is a terrible sign, but should definitely need to be made note of is usually when you see pullbacks like this, you want to see decreasing volume. Right now we have increasing volume on the pullback, so that's a little worrisome. I'm not saying it's the end of the world, but it's definitely something that you should keep in mind and, like I said, make note of, because usually you want to see the exact opposite. You like to see increasing volume on breakouts, and then when you have pullbacks, you want to see decreasing volume. Obviously, the opposite is happening here, so something worth mentioning here. On that same note, though, if we go through the history and if you look at the multiple times the price has gotten near the 50-day simple moving average, uh, potential good risk versus reward play coming up here. So keep that in mind too for you people that like to play the bottom bouncers and things like that. In the event that the 50-day does fail, the next level of support, actually that's going to be pretty much right at the 50-day. So I was looking at here, I thought that was going to be a little bit less. The 50-day right now is valued at 0.0082, and 0.0082 is basically the same as these previous highs. So then really after this level, the next key area of support is not until really down here at this yellow line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So I guess moral of the story is you really want to see this line be able to hold, just as it has done multiple times before, and you're going to want to see that continue to happen because the price is actually right near these previous highs over here too. So this would then be the next area of support. With any sort of bounce, the key level that I'd keep my eye on is this gray line here. This is the 20-day simple moving average valued at 0.011. That'll be a good indicator of how strong any sort of bounce is. So that'll be the first level of resistance. And then after that, up here around 0.014. But given that the volume's increased, and I think the key thing right now is just to make sure that the 50-day does hold. So, like I said, chart is still looking fine because the price is still above the 50-day simple moving average. So, no huge red flags there. This could just, be just a little blip on the map that doesn't mean anything, but I did want to at least mention it. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together on our alert. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SRGE. Thanks for listening.